Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I have a project share to show you guys in this video. I'm using the InLoveArtShop cutting dies. I will put the link down below to their store, and if you do like the dies that I'm going to show you in this video, I will put the links to the products down below. And then if you use my discount code, you will also get a 15% discount from their store if you use the link of the products down below. But these dies that I'm going to show you are so lovely. I did receive these in the mail. These are the ones that I've received, and I'm also going to show you some of the projects that I have put together using some of the dies. I didn't do a project with this one here. This one here is I think it's a mini album die set. You get 3 different sizes, and there are holes here where you can then bind your pages together with some string or a binder clips to keep your pages together. And I will do a project, and I'll do a video and show you what I've made with this die here. And I think this is going to be a fun project to work with. I also have a little small kit at the end of the video to show you as well, if you would like to purchase a kit from one of the projects that I'm going to show you using the dies as well. So this one here is one of them. And then there is this really lovely leaf die, and it's quite a nice large size. I didn't really do a project with this one. I did die cut it out, and I just use it to decorate some packaging. So I've got here, I just wrapped up packaging with some tissue paper, and those that do purchase from my store, you probably recognize I've kind of similar packaging to how I've got it here. So I just used some crochet string to wrap the packaging, and here is the die. I'm not sure if you can see it. I did use some silver cardstock, and that's the die shape. It is such a lovely shape. It cuts really well through your machine, and it's just a lovely size. And you can add this to tags. You can make it into, add it to your cards or anywhere you like, and use it as an embellishment. So that is where I'll place that die. And then received this one here. This is lovely too. It's a 4-piece flower die set. So you get these 4 pieces in different sizes. You can see that's a larger size. And also, just to show you guys, if you're interested in purchasing these or you have seen it, this is just a great video just to show you what they look like size wise, and what you could also do with them if you want it as a project. But these are the little flowers that I put together. And what I've done was I just layered them from the larger size up to the smaller size. And this one, these two here, I kind of given it a bit of a dimensional shape, just so it's raised a little bit. And then this one here, I just left it flat and just layered them on top of one another. So it's still great to add to pages if you don't want too much bulk in your pages. These are great. You can add these as bag toppers and decorate your bag toppers with these. You could also add these to cards, your scrapbook layouts. So there's a lot of ways you could use these into your projects. That's that one. And then I've also got these nesting die set. This is a tag set, and they've got 2 holes in each of the tag shape. And I've also got this really fun other nesting die shape as well. And this one here, you get 4 pieces. I actually like this die shape. It was actually quite fun making projects because you get 4 different sizes, and then you can just use any size you like. You don't have to use all 4 sizes in your projects. You can just use your smaller size if you like small projects. If you like to use the larger size for larger projects, you can just have that on its own and add it onto a card. And I think this is also a nice shape for mail cards or projects where you want to give something to a mail as well, because I find doing projects for males are very hard, or for boys. So I think this is a great little shape to add to make for boys projects. But I just made one of these with it, and I did use every single shape. I did use all 4 sizes, and then again just layered it from the bottom, from the larger size all the way up to the smaller size, which is that one here. And then I've got here a little butterfly embellishment that I've made, and it's laid with some vellum. So it's like a 3-layered butterfly embellishment, and I'm going to have these listed in my shop. You'll get a random different print, and then you'll have these 2 vellum pieces laid onto the butterfly, just to give it a bit more decoration to your embellishment. And these will be a pack of 12. They're not listed at the moment, but they will be up very shortly. And here's another of the butterflies that I've put here as well. Again, because I'm not sure if you can see the layering. And this is the smaller shape of the die. And then all I've done was I just pierced a little hole on one of the little points on the second largest, and then on the bottom here, and then just linked it with a jump ring. And I just think it looks really cute. And I think this is also great to add to a scrapbook layering. If you have a large card, you can just sit this on your card and it's ready to send off. And I just popped them all up with some foam dot on every single layer. You can see there. So that's that one. And then I just made a couple of smaller ones, which are these ones. And then for these ones, I just used the 2 smaller sizes, which was this one and then the next size up. And then I layered that as well with a foam dot. So I use these 2 sizes. So if you have some scrap papers and it'll fit these 2 sizes, these are great. Just use your scraps, and then I again just raise that with some foam dot onto the smaller size. And then I just embellished it with a couple of my ephemeras. Isn't this gnome really cute? Look at this gnome. How cute. So these are the other projects that I've made with the set of 4 nesting dies, which is this one. And then this one here is a tag, Memo tag die set. If you follow me on Instagram, I did do a project on, I showed you guys on my Instagram and added the photos of the project for this. And I actually really like this die set. And I'll show you what I've made with these. Firstly, what I'd done was I made these treat gift bags or as packaging. I used a 6x6 paper, and then I punched out a circle and added some vellum to just create a nice soft window, just so you can peek through the inside. Punched a couple of holes on the top and added some organza ribbon just to decorate the packaging. And I just think these look really cute. I'm also going to have these in my store as well. I'll have a random pack of 6 different printed patterns of these treat bags with the vellum window as well. Again, they're not listed as yet, but they will be up. So I will have a few exciting new listings in my shop in the next couple of days. So you just untie that. And then on this, in this packaging, I've got in here, if I can just get it out. So this is how the tag looks like using the 3 dies here. And so this is the larger size, and then underneath that I have a vellum piece, which is the next size, and then the smaller size I place that on top. And then I die cut this really cute little bunny. It is just so cute. And then I place a little pom-pom just on the tail end there, just to make it look really cute, and some enamel dots. I just placed also a little tassel, and then I placed that through the little hole that was in there. And then I joined them together with just some of my knitting yarn. So nothing's adhered onto the tags, just the bunny, which I use again some foam dots just to raise it up. So this is this one, and again this is great to just straight away place onto a card, and it's done. You can add this onto your mini albums or flip books and have this as the front cover or a layout. And this one here is the other one. And this will be the kit that I mentioned earlier that I'm going to have in my store. For those that don't have a die cutting machine, or you want to see how it looks like as a die. I know not everyone has a die cutting machine, so I have put together a small kit for you. This is the other one. This is also another bunny. I use some gold glitter cardstock. So cute. Again, a little tassel just to decorate the tag, and it's got a little white pom-pom, enamel dot. This one has the vellum as the smaller size, and I've got a the next one is the middle size, and it's the larger size. And again, just joining it together with some of my knitting yarn. And then you can do whatever you like with it. You can just gift this. It's ready. It'll be, you can gift it in one of these sort of bags, and then it's ready for your recipient to use it on their projects, or you can use it to write a little note or a message on the back. So this is the other one. Again, using this really fun tag, and you don't have to use all three. You can just use one on your project. You don't have to use all three, but you have the option to use any of these sizes. So these are the other projects. Now for the kit, I put together a small kit if you would like to purchase any of these two styles, and I'll just show you what you get in that kit. I only have, I think, 5 sets of these kits available. Again, my kits do go really, they do sell really quick, so hopefully you'll get a chance to pick up a kit if you're interested. So for the first one, it'll be this kit here. So you'll get exactly the same as what you have seen on this project. The only difference, you won't get the enamel dots. You get everything else but these. So you might want to just use your own sequence or your own enamel dots, but you will receive in the kit the bunny. You'll get the smaller size vellum shape, the next size up, and this one, that's the larger size, and you just layer them on top of one another, and the holes are already lined up for you. So all you need to do is just join the string, which will also be included, and that's this one here. You'll get the organza trim, and then the knitted yarn. So the organza will be for your little treat bag. You'll also get the tassel and the little white pom-pom for your bunny, as well as the treat bag. So these are all the little pieces that you get to make this exact same one. And for the other design, which is the one that I've created here, you will get, I haven't taken it out, so I'll just take it out of this packaging. You get the larger size, you get the vellum as your middle size, the smaller size, and you'll get the cute little bunny, as well as the tassel, and the little pom-pom, and the treat bag or gift bag, as well as the string and the crochet. And also it's been put together on another of the smaller size tag as well, just to hold it in place. And then you've got this as your spare little tag that you can use on another project. So you do get the extra piece here as well, and also some foam dots as well, if you want to use the foam dots to adhere your little image onto your little tag as well. So that is the kit for this design. So I just wanted to share that with you if you wanted to purchase the kit, if you don't have the die set. But these are the little these are the projects that I'm sharing with you. Again, all the links to the projects will be down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.